Hey everybody, here Wes from the Shady Bend Manor. Just wanted to show you guys what we're doing. We were kind of distracted in between cleaning, as we often get, so we decided to explore a space. So we took out some steps, went underneath the floor, and the third floor, and there's this really cool, like 3-foot tall space in there. So we decided to see what was in it. So just check it out. Hope you like it. It's just us exploring the space. So here it is. Enjoy. Okay, we're about to see what's underneath the step, going down into a place that we have always wanted to see. So we're going to take the step out of here, and there's about a 3 or 4 foot space down in there between this floor and the ceiling above. It's almost like a crawl space in there. So we're gonna take this stairway out because it's sliding out now, and we're gonna see what's in there. All right, Julie's suiting up with her NASA spacesuit, and anyway, getting ready to pull this board out. You see the old timber down in there. Boy, that's something. Ouch. Wow, there you go. That's better. Insulation torn out by animals. And that's the... I don't know, it's just my head. That's the top of the steps there. I need light. There's some more spaces under there. Okay. Julie's getting ready to go in that hole there so she can explore and see if there's any gold or silver bars amongst the insulation.
I'll let you know how much poop I find.
So anyway, well, I'm gonna shut this off for a second, and then she's gonna head in the hole. I can't believe the spaces that she fits into. Thank goodness you're small, darling, and like to go in spots like that. I got you. Look at you. All right, we're gonna get that insulation cleaned out.
I can see myself.
Flip the picture around.
How do I do that? I like it in here.
Yeah.
You should see the floor. You should see the floor in here.
Yeah, it's pretty intense, isn't it?
Yeah.
Big oak slabs. Yep. It's definitely original stuff there.
What?
I said that's definitely original stuff there.
Yeah.
That's wild. At least the...
Do you want me to take your phone in here and show you?
Yeah, you
So
can.
see it?
At least it's not as bad as I thought it was.
Now I know for sure where I can go hide.
You just have to be able to move the steps.
Oh, I saw it. Hey. I think I'm upside down. Oh.
I can edit anything out.
Oh yeah.
That's really interesting there. I don't know why that's like that. See where the ductwork is all pulled apart. Freaking can't believe you're in there.
What?
I can't believe you're in there.
Why not? Why can't you?
I really want to come in too.
I'm sorry.
I really want to come in too.
This is the one plus thing about being small.
Yeah. You think I can fit in? But it probably can't fit out. Maybe if I can tell if my whiskers hit. If my whiskers hit.
It was a little. I had to squirm a bit to get in here, so.
Yeah. That's wild up in the air.
Yeah, I don't reckon you can fit through the hole here. You
Well, thanks a lot.
What?
I'm just kidding.
I'm just being honest.
Yeah.
I'm sure glad I can, though.
Yeah, I'm sure glad you can too.
There you go.
Because guess what you get to do? Clean it out.
Oh, yeah. Fine.
Sorry about...
Hey, there's another hole.
Yeah, I know.
What's in there?
Oh, it goes to the kitchen.
Oh,
Sorry about all the camera work, folks. But
that was disappointing.
we're doing the best we can.
I haven't found anything fun yet.
No.
Ouch!
Your butt is all dirty.
That's how I roll, Toots.
Don't you call me Toots. There's a story behind that. I called Julie Toots once at a nursing home, and some old lady yelled at me for calling her Toots, so now we made a joke out of it. Don't you call her Toots. I was like, whoa.
She
Nope.
has a name.
All right, I'm going to stop this.